Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a trick in IBIS World about how to figure out what business to use when you have a scenario like this. For business consultants, it returns 80 results. That's not really useful, especially if you're trying to write a blog or trying to write a business plan. These just, you're not going to read all 80 of them. You're not going to want to do it, especially if you're paying for each of them individually. So I need to explain to you kind of how NAICS codes works. So let's go over here. Okay, so the way an NAICS code works is you will have a 2 to 6 digit number. The 2-digit numbers are the broadest range in the industry. It's agriculture, forestry, fishing, and hunting, construction, utilities, mining, manufacturing, wholesale trades, retail trades. So one of the main catch-alls is number 54, which, if you look at this, it will, this isn't very useful. So this is the Census Bureau. It will just give you the information. But if you look at professional and scientific services in IBIS World, this is the broadest range. This is all the companies that fall under a 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 digit NAICS code. And so there's a lot of them. If you go to industry at a glance, it will then show you the revenue, annual growth, profit, actual profit margin, how many businesses there are, employment, wages, major players. This is an easy overview. It shows you who the largest ones are, and look at this. None of them have more than 1% of the market share. And that's because you're in a really, really broad category. And then if you go over to major companies, what you'll see is these are a few different companies that are kind of all over the spectrum. This one is professional and technical services, IT consulting, management consulting, IT service, security consulting, insurance claim processing, business. So it's huge. It's major consulting firm. So that's one way to be able to do that data. And in most scenarios, if you're looking for a really broad one, just go for that one. But the other scenario that you can do is when you know what kind of consulting you want to do, you could then change it. For instance, if instead of business consultants, you want oil consultants. Voila, top one is an OD number, which is 585 545. If you want management consultants, that's 5416. 54151 is IT consultants. So as you can see, there's different kinds. And as you see, this 5-digit number starts with 54, starts with 54. Starts with 54. Some of them have different numbers because they're categorized slightly differently. Accounting services is 54. Human resources is 54. So most of them are going to be under 54. But if you do know what kind you want, you're going to be, this is mostly for business consultants, but it can also be for blog writers. If you go into oil and gas consulting, which is it's a niche one, but there's a ton of money in it. $6 billion in it, $638 million in profit. But when you compare the number of businesses to the last one, a lot less competition. So that's the gist of it. If you like this video, make sure to like it and follow my channel so more people can follow. Thank you. Bye.